I'm rice. In the fridge, bacteria can build up on me fast. Cold makes me toxic and dangerous. Cool me fast and don't keep me too long.
I'm honey. In the cold, I crystallize. Room temperature is my home. If I turn chunky, warm me gently.
I'm ginger. Cold pushes my essential oils out. I lose strength, aroma, taste, and benefits. Wrap me or freeze me instead. I'm a tomato. In the fridge, I lose taste and aroma. Cold takes away my freshness. Keep me out until I'm ripe. I'm a banana. Cold makes me black and soft. I need fresh air, not icy temperatures. Fridge equals ugly peel. Fast. You left me open, now I'm basically a block of ice. That's not dinner, it's a frozen tragedy. Close the lid tight, or wrap it before you chill me.
Fridge? Seriously? In 3 days, I'm a rock. You can use me as a hammer.
I'm basil. Fridge cold makes me wilt and turn sad fast. Treat me like flowers, stems in water, loose bag on top.